Starting around the 7 April 2024, Jasmy coin sort of is exchanging at dollars and malls in terms of its iced rate with a value change of 16% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy fundamentally has a sort of complete market cap of $9.85, 188, 742 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $43, 370, 469 in an unobtrusive manner. This truly makes Jasmy coin Jasmy genuinely positioning at 102 in the cryptographic money market, which truly is very critical. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Jasmy coin basically be fundamentally worth in 2024 in an especially enormous manner? Is Jasmy coin a kind of wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in all things considered huge way? Will Jasmy cost most certainly outperform its unequaled high, or so they sort of thought. These explicitly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2024 as per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Jasmy cost really is supposed to in a real sense cross a kind of normal value level of $243. The normal truly least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to by and large be $235, which basically is genuinely critical. Besides, Jasmy can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of $276, which in a real sense is very huge. Jasmy coin Jasmy value gauge April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is certainly anticipated to by and large arrive at a sort of typical cost of $196, while the coin could exchange between and in every way that really matters, limit of $2 to 1, and an extremely least of $177, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Jasmy coin cost certainly is gauged to generally arrive at an all things considered least cost of $192 in an unpretentious way. The Jasmy cost could basically arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.09 with a typical expected cost around $201, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin Jasmy value figure June 2024. The Jasmy coin Jasmy cost for June 2024 may for the most part arrive at the very least worth of $198, while the fundamentally greatest determined cost especially is around $0.19 in a genuinely significant manner. The very normal cost for Jasmy explicitly is for the most part anticipated to especially reach $0.07 in June 2024 in a genuinely huge way. Jasmy coin value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could stretch around $0.227 in a truly significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in July 2024 truly is $0.04 with a fundamentally normal cost of $0.012, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin truly is supposed to sort of be at around a very least of $0.09, which especially is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin cost can basically arrive at an especially limit of $0.038 with the fundamentally normal cost of $0.18 in USD in a significant way. Jasmy coin value expectation September 2024. Jasmy coin cost in every practical sense is supposed to truly reach between $215 to $249 in September 2024, while the by and large normal cost of Jasmy for the September explicitly remains around $224. Jasmy coin value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the especially greatest cost for Jasmy coin could basically stretch around $258, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2024 generally is $224 with a fundamentally normal cost of $231, showing how Jasmy coin value expectation September 2024. Jasmy coin cost for the most part is supposed to sort of reach between $0.15 to $249 in September 2024, while the truly normal cost of Jasmy for the September certainly remains around $224. Jasmy coin value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the greatest cost for Jasmy coin could really stretch around $0.058 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Jasmy coin value sort of is figure to for the most part arrive at a practically the least cost of $229, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. The Jasmy cost could fundamentally arrive at a really most extreme cost of $2.67 in every practical sense. Normal expected cost around $2.38, or so they basically thought. Jasmy Value Gauge December 2024. The Jasmy coin estimate for December 2024 expects that the Jasmy may especially arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $2.276 in every practical sense, least cost of around $2.235. Which especially shows that besides Jasmy can in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest value level of $2.276, which especially is very critical. Discussing the essentially normal value Jasmy can explicitly stretch around $0.43 for December. So Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2024 as per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Jasmy value sort of is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of $2.43. The normal extremely least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the very current year ought to for the most part be $2.35, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost truly has shown a very decent increment of 637% as of now, which in a real sense shows that besides Jasmy can especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $2.76 in a truly significant manner. Jasmy coin essentially is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Jasmy basically is down to nearly 735% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, which fundamentally is very critical. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for sort of past certainly couple of days. The coin could basically major areas of strength for have yet. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense, present moment. So Jasmy coin generally is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value estimate 2024 facts. What will explicitly be Jasmy coin really worth in 2024? Or so they sort of thought. The Jasmy cost fundamentally is determined to essentially arrive at a greatest degree of $2.276 with especially least cost of $0.0235 toward the finish of 2024, showing how discussing the in every way that really matters. Normal value Jasmy can sort of stretch around $0.0243 for December. So Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2024 as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Jasmy cost especially is supposed to, for the most part, cross a very normal value level of $2.43. The normal, genuinely least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to, in a real sense, be $2.235 in a by and large significant manner. Does Jasmy coin truly have a future in an especially significant manner? As far as value, Jasmy coin truly has an extraordinary by and large potential to, for the most part, arrive at new levels, exhibiting how